Daisy.
One behind the deuce and a half.
One deuce.
Trying to want to move up out to 0.
We can go. Shit.
Got target in the east, stop!
Whew! Shit, that scared the fuck out of me. Huh? Green truck, huh? How you looking, Monty? Oh, fuck, you got me. Huh? Fuck.
That fucking deal.
Reloading. Man. Ah, got me. Good shot. Hey, moving out!
Guys all black in the back.
Yo. Yeah. I wish I knew what that means. But I guess it means on you then. Alrighty. Gotcha. Sorry, man. There's two guys. One's crouching. One's peeking on like you can barely see him.
Hey, you got a grenade?
I don't have a grenade. I'm sorry.
Alright, hold position.
Roger.
Hey, if they're moving up on you, just yell, hey, I'll be in the house, yell, oh fuck.
Alright.
Hey, I'll be in the house.
Gotcha. And hell with mags these days. Oh, got me on that one. Hit! Moving out! Yep, I'm hit! Alright, back out we go. Oh, I'm leaving my mags here.
Huh?
Sorry, hang on, I need to leave my mags here. That's going to be rattling and it's going to be annoying. Alrighty. This thing here is not going to get us anywhere. Yeah.
Come step on this Jaguar and cover us, alright?
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And this. Alright. Gotcha. Any day. Donald, one down the hall.
Go ahead. What do you mean?
Down this hall, right in front of the... Down this way where I'm pointing. Huh? He's focused on me, so if you go to that Jaguar, you'll be safe, I think. Fuck. On your 6. No way we can get that guy. Cover that corner.
Cover your corner.
He's down. He's trying to mortar shots over here. I'll cover the back. Now what, Monty? Huh. Yeah.
Hey, over me. I'm sending a guy over to you. Go over to him. Go on that one. Go.
All right. This guy?
Hey, right here in the front building.
Thank you. How's it looking, bro?
There's one in that building in front of you. Hey, light. Hey, generator. Hey!
Man, this guy is persistent. Nope. Not yet. Oh, sorry. Hit. Move it out! Take a high cap, it's a little bit better.
Thanks, bro.
Hope there's enough in there for you.
Fine with me, thank you.
Let's do it. He's down. Excuse me, buddy. Coming through. Center.
That's parlay, actually.
Why not? Why not?
Anybody over there?
Yep, I do. Fuck me. Sure. A little bit reckless here. Oh, you got me. Fuck! Move it up! Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, bro. Sorry.
Hey, 2 moved up, I got 1.
Good job.
There's 2 more.
Huh?
You got me that.
Okay. Really? Hey, hang on. What? Did I get you? I thought I got you with that last shot.
No, I got you.
No. Okay, you got me. Good shot. I got you, man. I shot you in the back, bro. Fine. Good enough.